a little bit from a partnering perspective. Xander, I'll go to you. Again, the question, your partners, and maybe take us through the story of how we got to where we are now.
Sure. Yep. Well, real quick, I'll kind of let Sam kind of start off with the story, and then I can kind of finish it up.
Okay, sure. So JuneBrain was in last year's MedTech Innovator Cohort, which is an outstanding program. I encourage everyone to apply who's in the MedTech world. But part of that program included pairing us with mentors from strategics to help with any specific challenges we were having at the time. So one of ours was getting our software 510K out the door. We were running into a lot of challenges with putting that application together, and part of it was because we didn't have a, a clear quality system in place yet. So it was a very inefficient process. So we were paired with a mentor from Siemens, and he recommended that we look into Siemens has a Polarion software. It's their design quality system platform. So they did a demo for the MTI group. My team was really excited. It was a bit different from other softwares that we had seen before that seemed overkill for us. So we were connected with Jason at CG about implementing Polarion, and he introduced us to the MDIC team because they had just released their Advanced Manufacturing Clearinghouse grant, which would provide funding and the opportunity to collaborate with MDIC and the FDA while we're implementing this system. So it's kind of full circle. Yeah. I'll
Yeah.
hand it over to you, Xander.
Sure. Yeah. And then I was just gonna mention. So yeah, but when you are choosing a DQS system, it's important to figure out, which product is best for you. You want to look at the features, the prices, see what works for your industry, and then also an implementation partner. You definitely don't want to do this by yourself, especially if no one on the team has ever used the software before. It may look simple, but there's a lot of behind the scenes customization. You want to make sure that works with your business processes. So yeah, no, as Sam mentioned, we ended up going with Polarion. Well, we love it. Again, it has a great traceability matrix and graphical impact analysis. I really like the V&V testing feature that they have when we get to phase 3. Also area for you to do design reviews and approve documents and deliverables. So we really like the Polarion system from that standpoint. And then with CG, CG actually has a background with working with medical device companies. So that really helped us, especially during the whole implementation process, because when we had like specific questions, they had someone on the team that actually understood the specific, questions and inputs that we were referring to. And then also, I know part of the process, compliance group, they gave us SOPs, which are very helpful. FDA, they do require, quite a few different documents. So we didn't really know where to start from. So we did get a lot of SOPs to kind of get us started. So now, we have risk management plans and design development plans to help us get the ball rolling and track everything. And then also training. I would say training is probably the most important part. So from day one, we got training in, again, every single area, again, risk, design inputs, outputs, testing, everything, the whole 9 yards. So yeah,